Listen, if you want a delicious meal in just under 30 minutes, you want to pay attention to this cheesy smoked sausage skillet. Guys, you're going to love it. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of what we have right here. We have our cheesy tortellini. I hope I said that right. I'm not Italian, so I may have mispronounced it. Oh well, that's what it is. Some smoked sausage, chicken broth, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, olive oil, Italian seasoning, some tomato paste, heavy whipping cream, tomato sauce, some freshly chopped garlic. That's it, guys. Very quick, easy recipe. Let's get to it. All right, to get started, we're gonna turn on our cooktop, heat up our olive oil, add our sausage, and we're gonna start to get these babies brown. This can take several minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes to get them brown. All right, so we've browned our sausage. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our garlic, and we're gonna let that cook in for about another 30 seconds to a minute, just until you, maybe less than about 30 seconds. Let's not go all the way with a minute with this. We don't wanna burn our garlic. All right, so now we're gonna stir in the remaining of our ingredients. We're gonna start here with our whipping cream, our chicken broth, tomato sauce, tomato paste, Italian seasoning, and our Parmesan cheese. We're gonna add our cheesy tortellinis. And we're gonna stir this as we bring it to a boil. I'm gonna dash this with a little salt, a little pepper. Continue to mix it until we get this to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna reduce our heat. We're gonna cover this up and we're gonna simmer it for the next 12 to 15 minutes until that sauce thickens. All right, so we're about 12 minutes in. Man, look at what we have right here. I'm gonna turn this off. Look at that right there. Oh man, God. All right, let's go ahead and jump over to our cutting board and get into our final presentation. And there you have it, guys, a cheesy smoked sausage skillet. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. So let's go ahead and jump into quality control. All right, it's quality control time. We're gonna bring this cheesy smoked sausage to the front of the congregation. Guys, take a look at that. I know you're trying to jump through that screen right now. Let's go ahead and check it out. Oh man. Oh. We're gonna do sausage. These cheesy tortellinis, is that what it is? I know I'm saying it wrong, but I don't care. I know I say delicious. Oh man. Guys, you can make this in less than 30 minutes and you have a nice meal on your table. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli, all wings everything. And remember, now chef, just cook a lot and I'm out. Peace.